This is a real favorite flavor for one of us, and you're not gonna see the last of this flavor for quite some time. Hello everyone and welcome back to Girky Madness. In today's video, we're making a matcha ice cream. To make this ice cream, you'll need a small pot, and in it you add heavy cream, egg yolk and sugar. Mix everything together before you add the milk. You now got an ice cream base that you really can use for any flavor, but we're gonna make it matcha. The moment it starts to boil, you can take it to the side and add the matcha. Let it cool in the fridge and keep it in the container. Put container into the freezer overnight. You know that it's ready when it's rock solid. And as simple as it sounds, now you're actually finished and can let the machine do the rest. One button and it's all ready. I only suggest that you run it one time, but if it's not ready after one time, you can run it once again and it will be all perfect. And that's how you make a perfect matcha ice cream to enjoy in the summer. I know about one person that will be really happy to eat this. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in another video tomorrow. Bye!